नमस्कार, मैं हूँ हंसा और मैं आ गई हूँ अगले हफ्ते का वीकली प्रेडिक्शन लेके, जो कि मैं करती हूँ सन, मून और राइजिंग के साथ। और जैसे कि आपको पता है, ये महीना है इश्क, प्यार, मोहब्बत का, क्योंकि वैलेंटाइंस डे है। सो लेट्स सी हाउ डज दिस वीक पैन्स आउट फॉर एवरी सन, मून, राइजिंग साइन, एंड आई होप द लव प्रिवेल्स इन एवरीथिंग। शुरुआत करते हैं एरीज यानी कि मेष राशि। क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए? एरीज आपके लिए आया है द 4 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स का कार्ड। 4 ऑफ वॉन्ड्स का कार्ड आपके लिए यही कहता है कि आपके साथ कुछ तो अच्छा होगा, मे बी सम सेलिब्रेशन, सम फन, सम good news which will come your way, and there's also a heartbreak card, so be prepared for this thing to happen, and there is something changing. So because the world का card आया है, तो world का card आपके लिए यही कहता है कि there is some change which is happening, but you have to handle everything with a kid's glove, क्योंकि मे बी आप जो चाह रहे होंगे 14th को करने के लिए वो नहीं है, बट समथिंग एल्स विल हैपन विच विल बी बेटर. सो आई बिलीव एवरी डे इज अ वैलेंटाइंस डे, सो डो नॉट जस्ट फिक्स 14th February as a Valentine's Day, but enjoy the way it should be. Alright, so this is what the card has to say. There could be some problem with your health also, with the 3 of Swords is saying to me. But altogether it seems to be a good week for Aries, मेष राशि. तो आप इस हफ्ते को अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करिए. छोटी मोटी चीज़ें तो झगड़े होते रहते हैं, उसमें आपको चिंता करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. And I have got the angel cards to see what the angels have to suggest and message for you, Aries, मेष राशि. It says okay, forgiveness, this is perfect, क्योंकि अगर 3 of Swords का कार्ड आया है तो आप माफ़ कर देंगे तो आपकी ज़िंदगी में और खुशियाँ आएंगी. सो जस्ट forgiveness is your card and the message from the Almighty for you this week. Taurians, let's see आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं tarot cards. Very good. The Page of Wands has come for you, Taurian. The Page of Wands आपके लिए कहता है कि you are brimming with new energy. कुछ नई शुरुआत करना चाहते हैं आप, Taurian, because पिछले हफ्ते के साथ अगर आप देखें तो हर चीज़ आप नया करने की सोच रहे, तो it's a good beginning for you, वृषभ राशि. एंड आपके लिए आया है King of Wands का कार्ड. You are very grounded and energetic the same time. So आपको बहुत कुछ करना है, and you charging to the new territory that you wish to do. And also the King of Wands is a figure in your life, possibly who can guide you correctly in your new endeavor. तो अगर आपको किसी से सलाह मशवरा करना है तो प्लीज़ करके आप आगे बढ़िए, बिकॉज आप कोई नई शुरुआत करते हैं तो आपको डेफिनेटली किसी मेंटोर की ज़रूरत पड़ती है to guide you correctly. And also the Ace of Cups का कार्ड आया है, which is like again शायद मेरी शादी का ख्याल. तो हो सकता है कि जो सारा नया हो रहा है आपकी ज़िंदगी में, वो कुछ आपकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ नया प्यार, नए रिश्ते की शुरुआत भी हो सकती है. दैट्स व्हाट द कार्ड इज सेइंग टू मी एट द मोमेंट. सो लेट्स सी अब आपके लिए एंजल्स कार्ड क्या कहते हैं वृषभ राशि. इट सेज this situation will improve, which is a good card. So आप जहाँ भी जो भी नई शुरुआत कर रहे हैं, it's a beginning. So obviously जब आप काम करेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे, तो situation automatically improve हो जाएगी. Time for Geminis, मिथुन राशि. क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए टैरो कार्ड्स. मिथुन राशि आपके लिए ज़िंदगी में इस हफ्ते बहुत सारी I can say a little problems हैं, anxiety है, जो आपको अपने जो भी काम है, डिसीजंस हैं, उनको बहुत सोच समझ के आगे बढ़ना है. डू नॉट रश और इमोशनल ज़्यादा मत होइएगा. ये एक ऊपर कर्सरी ग्लांस कार्ड्स को देख के है. अब आप गोइंग टू द कार्ड्स नाउ. इट इज सेज द 7 of Swords. मतलब somebody is trying to bully you, or somebody is taking away what's yours, and you have to act in right way, play your cards correctly to save this for yourself. दूसरा कार्ड आपके लिए द मून का कार्ड आया है. द मून का कार्ड इज ऑल्सो a lot of mental anxiety is there for you this week. So just be at ease, just don't rush, एंड द टावर का कार्ड आया है। टावर का कार्ड आपके लिए कहता है कि दिस इज अ टाइम फॉर अ मैसिव चेंज हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ, यू जस्ट हैव टू अडेप्ट एंड गो विद द फ्लो, एंड दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से। तो अगर आपको इस चीज़ से एंग्जाइटी है कि चेंज को आप एक्सेप्ट नहीं करना चाहते हैं, देन दैट्स अ रॉन्ग थिंग। यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट द चेंज बिकॉज दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ कांस्टेंट। चेंज होगा तो आपकी ज़िंदगी में आगे जो आप चाह रहे हैं वो आपको मिलेगा। देखते हैं एंजल्स कार्ड आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं मिथुन राशि। If you believe, so okay, this is about your belief and trust in the universe and yourself. So you have to believe whatever the process is happening. Geminis, trust you me, you won't be let down by the universe. So believe करिए, खुद पे करिए यकीन, ऊपर वाले पे यकीन करिए, they will never fail you. Time for Cancer, यानी कि कर्क राशि। Alright, कर्क राशि आपके लिए आया है द 10 of Swords का कार्ड। 10 of Swords का कार्ड आपके लिए ये कहता है कि देयर इज सम एंडिंग हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ। कुछ एक चैप्टर है जो ख़त्म हो रहा है, कुछ नया शुरू हो रहा है। दूसरा ये भी है somebody is trying to backstab you, so be alert। कान और आँख खुले रखिए ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में कौन आपका दोस्त है कौन नहीं है, विच इज़ अ ट्रू लव और नॉट, जस्ट कीप अवेयर अबाउट इट। क्योंकि दूसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है द 5 of Pentacles। दैट मीन्स देयर इज सम मॉनेटरी इशू, फाइनेंशियल इशू विच इज़ नॉट गोइंग राइट फॉर यू एंड यू आर just looking at कि पैसा नहीं है, but you have to believe in the Almighty by saying the universe has your back. He will do the things right way, so don't feel let down and feel sad about it because it's a very temporary phase and you shall get over it. तीसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है the 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles is like a wish coming true that you desire a happy family, अच्छी जगह, good सेहत, everything good, as a perfect as we say. So you are basically going away from the things which is ending for you this week. The chapter is closing. What's not working for you, which is not supporting you, is coming to an end, to a better life for you this week. So just enjoy the process that you have, Cancerians, and you will be smiling by the end of this week. Don't worry. And let's see what the angels card have to say for you. Listen to your intuition. That's a perfect card for you. Listen to your intuition because intuition आपका जो inner soul होता है वो आपको guide करता है, and that is never wrong. Time for Leos, सिंह राशि, क्या कहते हैं tarot cards आपके लिए? Okay, the Knight of Swords is the first card that has come for you. You are really in a hurry at the moment. You want to rush, and it's like probably you want to reach somewhere, or probably you want to go for a quick break in your life, some journey, something like that, that's there. It's a very hasty kind of a thing, but you should not do that because the second card aapke liye hai the 9 of Wands, which is telling you to be alert in what you're doing, take a pragmatic decision about what you want to do, सोच समझ के आप आगे बढ़िए because even if you're right, you need to believe in the process to do the things correctly. तीसरा कार्ड आपके लिए आया है द किंग ऑफ कप्स का कार्ड है, विच इज सेइंग दैट you are somewhere in a place that you wish to experience what is love is all about. You've been too guarded about it, and you have to understand that the way you have been treating your life up till now, Leos, you need to take a little break to understand what real love is all about. The king of cups is also the person who is very emotional. Somewhere आप emotional हो रहे हैं, which is a good thing because you have been too practical for way too long. कई बार ज़िंदगी में आपको rational होना पड़ता है, emotional होना पड़ता है, in a right way, not the wrong way. So this week is guarding your heart, taking care of it by not being hasty but understanding it, सिंह राशि। क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए angels card? Let's see. Well, whatever you've been thinking is a no for you, an affirmation of no. So you need to really be kind to yourself, take care of yourself in whatever you wish to do. But I'll take out on the card for you because this is something in between. And let's see what the card. Fantastic. It's a let go. If you're thinking something that has been bringing you a lot of grief or something, a sorrow, you need to let go. अगर आप किसी से नाराज़ है किसी वजह से, it's always good to forgive for your own good. So let go that and to bring that happiness and smile in your life and peace to your soul. Bingo. Virgos, कन्या राशि क्या कहते हैं आपके लिए टैरो कार्ड्स. ऑलराइट, आपके लिए आया है द एज ऑफ पेंटिकल्स का कार्ड, जो आपके लिए कहता है कि इस हफ्ते आप अपने काम में बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी रहने वाले हैं, आप बहुत ज़्यादा काम करने वाले हैं, बिकॉज यू आर हैप्पीली हैविंग अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क फॉर योर सेल्फ. एंड द हाई प्रीस्टेस का कार्ड आया है. दैट मीन्स इट सेज दैट there is some spiritual connection which is happening in your life. There is something which is like you will be more thankful in gratitude towards the Almighty because the kind of work which is happening in you, we've been waiting for to happen in your life. Whether it's anything, a work is a work. आपका जो भी काम का arena है, क्षेत्र है, whatever it's supposed to be. And the Page of Pentacles has come, which is also new way of earning money. So it's basically a good week for you in gratitude because आप बहुत अरसे से चाह रहे थे कि आपका फाइनेंस ठीक हो, आपका काम बढ़े. वो इस हफ्ते आपके लिए होने वाला है, which is a very good thing for you, Kanya Rashi. And let's see what the angels card have to say for you. Well, it says yes. So yes is whatever it's supposed to be for you in this week. जो आप सोच रहे हैं वो हो रहा है, and you should have all the gratitude towards Almighty about it. So go for it. Libra, तुला राशि क्या कहता है ये हफ्ता आपके लिए? आपके लिए है the Knight of Cups. Knight of Cups is saying that you will be getting some kind of a message or something, maybe some proposal coming your way, maybe somebody expressing his or her love. That's what this Knight of Cups is telling you because that's an emotional card for you. But there is also an Age of Swords card because somewhere you are not opening up to yourself for the love that is coming your way. So उसके लिए आप खुद को तैयार करना पड़ेगा because आप अपने आँखों की पट्टी को हटाएंगे तो ही उस सच्चे प्यार को, ट्रू लव को आप देख पाएंगे. आपको पहले खुद को प्यार करना ज़रूरी है. That's what the Eight of Swords is telling you because you feeling very bogged down, you feeling lost at the moment. So वो आपके लिए अच्छा नहीं है. तो अपनी आंखों की पट्टी को खोलिए, देखिए सामने क्या है एंड रिसीव मोड पर आइए. आपके लिए तीसरा कार्ड आता है किंग ऑफ सोर्स का कार्ड. किंग ऑफ सोर्स का कार्ड इज सेइंग यू नीड टू बी लिटिल मोर प्रैक्टिकल टुवर्ड्स योर लाइफ रादर देन getting too emotional about certain things. जब तक आप उस चीज़ को समझेंगे नहीं because it's a very grounded card, very practical person, very analytical person. So जो practical और analytical होते हैं वो कभी blind नहीं होते हैं because they know what they have to do. So ये आपको करना है and you can take advice from the person whosoever is there in your life to take a right emotional decision also. That's what the card says for you this week. And let's see what the angels card have to say for you. Libras, get more information. Okay, so if you don't have entire information which is making you feeling bogged down or in a place that you don't know, blindfolded you are, then get more information about it and get the right perspective to it. Perfect. Time for Scorpio. Scorpios यानी कि वृश्चिक क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए. Alright, वृश्चिक राशि आपके लिए आया है the Hierophant का कार्ड. Hierophant का कार्ड is telling you that you're going to be a very spiritual person this week. You're going to be in gratitude to the Almighty for bringing all the peace to you this week. And also you'll be looking forward to some mentor and some guide in your life, so who can guide you to bring the inner peace that you're looking forward to. Because the other card has come is the Two of Swords. Now the Two of Swords is saying that you are somewhere kind of lost emotionally and practically because आप कहीं एक juncture पे अटक गए हैं जहाँ आपको समझ नहीं आ रहा है कि what's the way forward. So way forward के लिए you need a mentor, a guide, a spiritual guide to guide you, to get you a right perspective and the right path. So go for it. Ask for the person whosoever is there in your life. And the third card is also the Seven of Pentacles, जो ये कह रहा है कि you're concerned about your finance this week. Pretty much you are trying to balance it, but you need more finance. So more finance के लिए you need to look towards the right direction जहाँ से आपका फाइनेंस सॉर्ट आउट हो सकता है. और अगर आपको कहीं फाइनेंस देना है, if you have taken loan from somebody or some place, डू नॉट गेट टू कैरिड अवे बाय सेइंग कि ओके किसी ने मांगा है तो मुझे देना है. प्लीज टॉक टू द पर्सन that if you can't repay, talk to the person. There will always be answers, so don't be anxious or feel stuck up because of that. And the angels card for you Scorpios वृश्चिक राशि क्या है देखते हैं. You are ready. Beautiful cards. See, your anxieties, whatever is happening is not the right thing because you're ready. Believe in yourself, Scorpios, because if you believe in yourself, then only you'll have a way forward, because that's how it works. Time for Sagittarius. Sagittarius आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं? Alright, धनु राशि आपके लिए आया है the strength का card. Strength का card is that you are kind of sick this week. Something is not, your mental fatigue है आपका, and somewhere you're not keeping a good health also. And the second card आपके, तो please take care of health. And the second card आपके लिए आया है the Three of Wands. Three of Wands is telling that you are waiting to start a journey to go somewhere for your business trips and all that, because you're looking for a kind of a collaboration to enhance or bring a third party to your business for finance and all that stuff, but it will take some time. But third card is the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is saying that the females are going to be very very practical. They will be very analytical. सूझबूझ के साथ वो decision लेने वाली है. And if you're a businesswoman, you need to understand what is working for you, right? Because if you're looking for collaboration, expanding your business, partnerships and all, have patience to go for it. That's what the Strength card is saying. You need all the inner strength, mental, physical, emotional and financial. That's what this week is all about. It's about finance, expansion and also taking care of your health. Now let's see what the angels card have to say for Sagittarius. It is, oh, it's yes. Wow. So it's a yes for you from angels. So believe and go accordingly. अब बारी आती है मकर राशि की. मकर राशि आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं? टैरो कार्ड्स. कैप्रिकॉर्न्स. ओके, कैप्रिकॉर्न्स आपके लिए आया है द सेवन ऑफ कप्स का कार्ड. सेवन ऑफ कप्स का कार्ड इज लाइक यू हैव टू मेनी ऑप्शंस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू टू टेक डिसीजंस एंड you are stuck up because you're not able to take a pinpoint which is going to work for you. If it's for students are going to see too many options because academically the things are opening up, the school, colleges and all, and you want to see which one works for you. So that's how it is. And also you're a little stuck up because of that, because the second card is the Eight of Swords, which is again you're really stuck up with what is the way forward to understand how you should go ahead in your business, on your education, or even I don't see a love angle. It's very practical things which is happening. And the King of Swords, the third card. Now what I can suggest for you, even if you're stuck up because of these two cards, you have somebody who can give you a right guidance, to seek that guidance, to go and look forward, the way forward that's going to be there for you. So don't be stuck up, open up, talk to people. You have too many people around you to guide you correctly, and you will find a way forward and the right decision to be taken in this whole process. Let's see what the angels card have to say for you, Capricorns. Alright, it says trust. So trust is a beautiful thing we all need in our life. So trust yourself, trust the process, trust the people around you. जब तक trust नहीं होता है हम बिल्कुल एक अंधे कुएं में होते हैं. तो ट्रस्ट करिए ताकि आपको एक रोशनी दिखेगी जिससे आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का समाधान आपको मिलेगा. टाइम फॉर एक्वेरियंस आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड. OMG, आई एम सुपर हैप्पी फॉर माय एक्वेरियंस डार्लिंग. बिकॉज आपके लिए इस हफ्ते बहुत अच्छे, पिछले हफ्ता आपके लिए अच्छा नहीं था पर ये हफ्ता आपके लिए अच्छा है. सो दिस इज द जस्टिस कार्ड, फर्स्ट कार्ड. So whatever happened last week with you, which was topsy-turvy, this time you're getting justice for whatever has happened. Then the Three of Cups का card है, which is celebration happening, going out with friends is happening, a bon homie, a celebration and party time for you with your loved ones, which is there for you, Aquarian. And the Nine of Cups is a very, very emotional week for you because everything is falling in place for you vis-a-vis whatever you wish to do this week. And it's a wish card that says all your wishes are going to come true this week, Aquarian. God bless you. And let's see what the angels have to say for you, Aquarian darlings. So it says, okay, it's forgiveness. So पिछले हफ्ते आपकी ज़िंदगी में जो कुछ भी हुआ था, just forgive it, move forward and let go, let God, as we say. This is for mean Pisces. क्या कहते हैं tarot cards आपके लिए? Alright, आपके लिए ये हफ्ता full of new energy है क्योंकि आपके लिए सारे wands के कार्ड आए हैं. New energy in a very creative way, which is going to enhance your business. Your business is going to prosper. You're going to take new ideas to enhance your business. And for students also somewhere, but also this whole process will give you a little Five of Swords, a little mental anxiety and all. But ये आपके दिमाग की सोच है, आपको अपने दिमाग को खोलना पड़ेगा ताकि जो ideas हैं, new energies हैं, the new brimming fructification of your labor है उसको आप enjoy कर पाएंगे because आपके लिए आया है the Page of Wands. Page of Wands is about the new energy, somebody who has this new idea to how to take the business forward. अपने business को आगे कैसे बढ़ाएंगे, अपनी education को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए आप क्या नया करना चाहते हैं, आप अपने घर में क्या नया करना चाहते हैं. This is all the Page of Wand is saying, but the Page of Wand is equally supported by the King of Wands. Now the King of Wand is somebody who is guiding you on the way to take you forward. तो आप अपने आप को अकेले मत समझिए, आपके इस नए बिजनेस में, नए काम में आपके साथ लोग हैं जो आपकी हेल्प करेंगे. तो आप अपने राइट और लेफ्ट ब्रेन से बात ना करते हुए open up to the people, take help and understand how to go forward and bring that beautiful turn in the business that you wanting to bring, and that will be the thing for you this week, Pisces. It's a good energy week for you, Pisces. आपकी ज़्यादा सोच ही आपकी तबीयत को ख़राब करेगी, बाकी और कुछ नहीं करेगा. Let's see what the angels have to say for you. Okay, it says ask your angels. Well, you can ask your angels about it. So that means you believe in the universe which is telling you to go forward and take a plunge with the idea that you have to enhance your business, and that shall be the good thing for you. हमेशा की तरह से मेरे पास है angels card, which is universe has your back, and let's see what they have to say for all of us for this week, which is from the 14th of February to 28th of February. 20th यानी 20. देखते हैं क्या कहते हैं हमारे लिए. Universe has your back. My happiness is a direct reflection of my level of faith in the universe, which is a beautiful thing. ये पूरा जो हफ्ता है हमारा वैसे भी ये है कि हम जब अटक जाते हैं तो what is the way forward, to believe in the universe, mentor, guide, your inner soul. So just believe and find a way forward to yourself. So इसी के साथ में ये episode of weekly predictions comes to an end, and I thank you all very much for your love and support to me, and thank for all the people who reach out to me for the readings and all, and thank you so much once again. Please spread the word around, help other people, and that's how this whole process works. आप शेयर करेंगे किसी की मदद हो सकती है. तो इसी के साथ love and light, take care, namaste.